And welcome back again. It was a pretty warm day across our area. 78 degrees was our high, 59 being our low, so well above our normals. Yeah, we did pick up a little rain, just over a tenth of an inch, and we're sitting right about where we should be for this time of year. How about outside right now? Yeah, well, there's that front that those showers and a few thunderstorms were associated with. That has moved on off to our south. You can see behind it, we're left with some 50s, some 60s, and yeah, I wish we were Baton Rouge. You're still in the 70s right now. Unfortunately, we can't be, and you can really see it on our 24-hour temperature change. Most places a couple degrees, and as you get to Wiggins, Hattiesburg, and Laurel, we're talking 10 to over 15 degrees below what we were yesterday. So a little bit of a temperature change. Showed this earlier. There's those showers moving on off again. Most of that was to our north and didn't impact us here in Hattiesburg. And check out our water vapor. You can see where all that came from. Some of those storms kind of firing up actually along the Florida coast. Plenty of moisture on off to our west. This will make its way towards our area as there is a pretty large system that's going to impact pretty much the entirety of the central U.S., including us, as it kind of develops, which it currently is, and it's going to become kind of a little bit of a monster as we get on to Wednesday and Thursday. Lows for tonight will remain in the 50s. Those winds 5-10 miles per hour out of the northeast. Mostly cloudy skies, so we may get a slight break to see maybe the moon for a little bit, as well as the sun tomorrow, as the winds will still remain 5-10 miles per hour, and we'll still be, look at that, in the mid-70s. So again, another warm day in store for us. Just want to show you our future radar. Over tonight, we're going to be clear on into tomorrow. Maybe a few scattered showers on off to the west near Brookhaven and Macomb. Overall, your Wednesday is looking pretty nice, as well as your Tuesday. And then once we get into Wednesday night, that's a little bit of a change in the weather. So the jet stream kind of takes a dip right here. You'll have the low pressure system, which is going to be really forming up over Nebraska and really kind of deepening. And we're talking snow showers out to the north of that. And there's going to be a cold front trailing back along with it. Some showers again and thunderstorms into our region Wednesday night through Thursday and potentially into Thursday night as well. Over the next 7 days, we're only talking, I say only because this has gone down since last week, 1 to 2 inches of rain. Most of us are going to be on the lower end of that, but I put 2 inches here because where those heavier cells set up, it's going to be more of a squall line moving through. So anytime you get those heavier cells, you can have maybe an inch or so more than you expect. But overall, not too bad. The moisture return is going to be the big thing with this. As that low pressure and that cold front gets closer, how much moisture are we going to return from the Gulf? And that is the big question, as well as how much instability can we get in here. Right now, the system has kind of gone back a little bit, slowed down, which is good because it kind of weakens a little bit. But we'll watch it as it gets closer. So your weather brought to you by Richard Schwartz and Associates. Here we go. Tuesday, sun, we'll have a few high clouds, 75 degrees, 74 for Wednesday. We're going to be starting to cloud up tomorrow afternoon, especially into your Wednesday overcast skies. Showers and thunderstorms around for your Thursday, 78 degrees. And then that cold front moves on through, and look what it does to our temperatures. We're talking 64 for your Friday, and we're going to start your weekend in the mid-50s. Overnight low Saturday night will be in the 30s, but thankfully we get a quick warm up back into the low 60s for Sunday, as well as the upper 60s to start next week. So overall, it's not looking too bad. We're talking temperatures mostly above normal, except once we get into the weekend, they'll be below normal. We got to get through some showers and thunderstorms around, but as of right now, it's looking a little bit. You okay there?
Yeah, I'm sore throat. I hope I can make it through the week.
You're allergic to the weather, but
yeah, I need some
allergies
warm
are bad
weather.
right now. Allergies are bad.
Need some warm weather as well.
Warm weather?
Yeah, like something about
we
some
got warm weather.
80s or 90s.
Yeah, not yet.
All right. Thanks a lot, sir.